is for butterfly, flying overhead. C is for cat, gentle and sweet. D is for drum, with a happy beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. Let's go on and not delay. Come on, sing along with me. We're going on an ABC trip. Bright letters, words, and sounds. Learning is fun, pure delights. G is for giraffe, standing tall at last. H is for hippo, who splashes about. I is for ice cream, so cold and so round. J is for jump, now let's jump up high. Reach the stars up in the sky. Come along, sing with me, we're an ABC journey. Welcome to letters and words, a place of sounds which you have heard. K is for kite, up in the sky. L is for lion, fierce and spry. M is for monkey, climbing boughs. N is for nest, built with ease. O is for octopus, 8 arms wide, swimming softly with the tide. Let's make words, let's have fun, adventures waiting for everyone. A, B, C, D, let's unlock. There are so many letters in the block. P is for parrot, green and squawking. Q is for queen, royal and proud. R is for rainbows, colors so bright. S is for sunshine, shining light. T is for tiger, with stripes so stark. A jungle story waiting to leave its mark. Come on, sing along with me, we're on an ABC journey. Oh, what letters, words, and sounds. Learning makes you jump and bounce. U is for umbrella, in rain it will save. V is for violin, let your soul not behave. W is for whale, swimming in the deep. X is for xylophone, bang it with glee. Y is for yawn, when it's time for bed. Z is for zebra, stripes of black and